My mouth is on fire and I love it. Momos for chole kulche, for rajma chawal. दिल्ली की चाट, दिल्ली के छोले कुलचे, दिल्ली का बिग चिल. Thai food, home food, South Indian. And vada pav. Yeah. So nice. This like magic. कि मैंने कुछ बोला और वो आ गया. Thank you guys.
Best interview ever. Well, someone whose name is Batata Vada on social media, we have to have on this show. And in case you're wondering why have we not actually taken Shweta Tripathi to Vada Pav stall, that's because we were supposed to, but then we decided that we want more and more and more of her. That's why we brought her to a momo place instead. Thank you so much, Shweta, for joining us on the show. And I am a humongous fan. Like I've always said, like right from the days of Masan to Mirzapur, I think there's no one like you. And you have not changed at all in between. I don't know how, basically. And except for one thing, the abs.
Of course, of course. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you.
We always want more and more and more of you. So that's why the momos are here. And you're a Delhi girl.
Yes.
So you must be having a very high standard for momos, right?
For momos, for chole kulche, for rajma chawal.
I know. But we are hoping that this will match your standards somewhat today. And are we going to actually, the goal is basically to remove Golu's abs in a way. That sounds very gruesome, but that's not how I mean it. We want to put some fat over there, basically.
ये तो in fact reminds me of Golu because वो hideout में जब शत्रु जो लेकर आते हैं और गोलू जो उंगलियों से खाती है. Oh my God.
Golu does everything with a sense of style. So you're such a sunshiny person. So when do you channel your inner Golu actually?
Ooh. So I channel my inner Golu
and
when.
Please help yourself to the
Of
noodles.
course,
And you can
of
eat
course.
it like that also.
Actually,
No.
हाँ, वो ऐसे like फिर तो पूरी गोलू आ जाएगी. Okay, so let's start with
Yes.
this.
So that's the veg section basically. This is the non-veg section. I'm going to help myself to a chicken momo. I'm going to use my fingers, Shweta. Please.
Of course, always.
Please, yeah, just excuse me while I eat with my fingers. Yeah.
And you know the thing is कि खाने में हमेशा मुझे ज़्यादा interest रहा है चटनी में. So which is why I'm so excited too. So this is the peanut and this I'm guessing this is the chili
And then
one.
there's also mayo in case you want that as well.
Let's
So I'm
try
also
this.
going to go for the chutney. Perfect on a not a cold
Oh
rainy
my
day,
God.
but a rainy day in Bombay. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's very, very high praise from a Delhi girl, I have to say. Yeah.
My mouth is on fire and I love it.
Yeah. I was
Let's
warned
try
about these actually. Yeah. And these are peri peri, which are even more deadly.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Peri peri momos, which only I'm going to try because we don't want anything to happen to Shweta.
Please be careful with that. You know, I used to love mirchi. I used to have a hari mirchi with my meal every time.
Oh.
But I think age के साथ
I know.
वो थोड़ा reduce हो गया है, थोड़ी समझ भी ज़्यादा आ गई है.
Yeah.
So, but this is fantastic.
Yeah, and we're so glad
so
that
good.
you like it. But you know, talking about Delhi and you know the momo level being like amazing there. Was momo something like you used to go out and have a lot of the time?
So Delhi में GK M Block Market में I think brown sugar करके होता है. वहाँ की भी जो सॉस होती थी. Oh my God, मेरी तो यादें ताज़ा हो गई हैं. And वहाँ पे एक दूसरे भी थे मोमो वाले जहाँ पे because I was a non-vegetarian back then. अब वो मीट क्या होता था? I'm really hoping that it was chicken, but not brown sugar में एक और दूसरी जो जगह थी. ये बचपन में ना चाहे हम जो भी खा लेते थे, चाहे कहाँ की भी चाट होती थी या कहाँ के भी मोमोज होते थे, कुछ सिस्टम में कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं होती. बट चाट, दिल्ली की चाट, दिल्ली के छोले कुलचे, दिल्ली का बिग चिल, दिल्ली के
I have
खाने
a feeling
के.
you can go on and on.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
you
true.
can.
बॉम्बे में what I love is घर का खाना. I just love चाहे किसी के भी घर का खाना हो because again with age and with experience एक वो समझ आ गई है कि जो हम घर का खाना खाते हैं वो भी एक बैलेंस बहुत जरूरी है with anything that you do in life.
Yeah.
So be it junk food or be it clean food or be it fitness. Be it commercial cinema, be it independent cinema, there is a balance which should be maintained.
Yeah.
चलो पहले ये try करते हैं.
So you seem to really have a very balanced life. You know, I mean, not just like, I'm not talking about as an artist. As an artist, obviously, because you're juggling so many different kinds of projects, but you have such a touchwood great relationship. You know, you have a great, I mean, I love watching you and Malika Dua. Like, I mean, like, you know, I love that kind of the vibe that you've got going on. What is your secret really to striking so much balance in an industry where it's not easy to do that?
I think surrounding yourself with the right kind of people and right kind of food. Both are very important. By right kind, I mean कि क्योंकि I think life में सब कुछ स्वाद अनुसार करना चाहिए. तो अगर जो आपके लिए right kind हो, वो मेरा right kind की definition अलग होगी. But instead of copying, in fact, and instead of seeing कि किसको क्या सूट करता है, I think ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको खुद को क्या सूट करता है. आप वो करो. So it's good to be inspired from each other, but it's good to do what you want to do. हम कई बार ना वो शोर में हम भूल जाते हैं. वो ये हमें जो बताया जाता है कि ये रेस है, कोई रेस नहीं है. मतलब मुझे नहीं मानना कि रेस है. मैं यहाँ अपना काम करने आई हूँ एज एन एक्टर, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ फैमिली मेंबर. मुझे उस चीज पे फोकस करना है. ये ना कि वो क्या कर लिया है, वो क्या कर रहा है, वो कहाँ पहुंचा है. हम उसमें ही अगर फोकस करेंगे तो हमारा फोकस तो अनफोकस हो ही जाएगा.
You seem to be extremely focused, like there's no doubt about it. So talking about sparking joy, name 3 food items that can always spark joy in your life.
राजमा चावल,
Okay.
छोले कुलचे,
Huh.
and vada pav.
Yeah, batata vada. Of course, and I mean, I know the story behind why the batata vada, you know, why you chose it. But for our viewers who may not know, you know, because a lot of people wonder, like, what's behind that, really. So tell our viewers why you chose that. It's a great story, and you've lived up to the name, the honor of the name of, yeah.
यही सुनना था मुझे.
Yes, correct. So please tell us.
तो मुझे ये लगता है कि बटाटा, which is आलू एक ऐसी चीज है कि आप वेजिटेरियन, नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो, वीगन हो या दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से बिलोंग करते हो, पोटैटो विल फाइंड अ वे टू बी इन योर प्लेट. चाहे व्रत हो या फ्राइज हो. तो एज एन एक्टर दैट इज हु आई वांट टू बी. आई वांट टू बी लाइक बटाटा की जो फ्लेवर दो आप वो हो जाते हो. मतलब लिटरली आप भरता भी हो जाते हो और आप क्रिस्पी भी हो जाते हो. आप पैकेट में भी चले जाते हो और आप तल के भी बाहर आ जाते हो. तो I want people that on screen when they see me, they see my character first, and then they see me. So, and somehow this batata vada sounds very approachable.
Yeah,
it sounds very nice.
you know. Yeah, because you're like cute and you're like, you know, like stuffed with flavor and you know whatever that kind of thing. So it actually suits you very well. I think if I think if one had to give you a name, that's the perfect name that one would have chosen actually. And I'm going to ask you a very tough question now. Okay. Other than batata vada, if you could choose one like aloo dish basically to have for the rest of your life, what would it be?
You know, अभी because I'm married into a Bihari family, तो मुझे चोखा के बारे में पता चला है.
Okay.
तो वो अब लिट्टी चोखा भी आप खाते हो, आप जिसमें थोड़ा भरता भी होता है, बैंगन भी होता है, आलू भी होता है. वो चोखा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि वो आप खिचड़ी के साथ खा सकते हो, वो आप चावल के साथ खा सकते हो, या फिर आप वो पराठा के साथ या लिट्टी के साथ. So just I love that anything which has so many variations and so many combinations, even in terms of styling. मुझे वही लगता है कि आप ऐसे staples खरीदो जो कि आप दिमाग लगाओ that how you can style it differently and wear it again and again. Because ये जो whole thing है यार मैंने तो एक बार पहन लिया repeat नहीं कर सकते. Like really?
I totally agree with you because I'm someone who like keeps reusing my stuff and everyone is like stop being such a conjuice in life, buy some new clothes.
Sorry, because we're talking about reusing, can we not have plastic? I have my pani, तो वो ले आते हैं.
Just a glass is fine.
हाँ. Plastic pani is something that again.
You know what you said about sustainability is so important, and also of course you are speaking as somebody who's very into fashion, right? Who understands her fashion, who went to NIFT if I'm not mistaken, right? And I talking about NIFT, and you know there was a very sweet story I think which I read about you where you said that you know y'all all used to share I think one tomato soup like after college, like you know some 10 rupee like tomato soup and a muffin. Am I right? So tell us a little bit about that.
I'm also a little distracted right now because this is so good.
Yeah, and very spicy.
मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah.
ये interview चल सकता है.
Shweta is like, yeah, she's like, I don't care if you're talking to me. I'll answer when I feel like answering. Yeah.
Food, good conversations with good people is life.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Yeah. And-
बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है.
yeah, nice. So these are the peri peri ones that you're having. The peri peri are amazing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I also have to keep you company. We shall be peri peri friends.
मुझे लगता है कि वो कॉलेज के दिन ना बहुत जरूरी होते हैं जहाँ आपको वैल्यू ऑफ द राइट थिंग्स होती हैं। तो कॉलेज में माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स एंड आई हम लोग का आई वेंट टू निफ्ट दिल्ली एंड वहाँ पे नेस्कैफे का वो होता था एंड 10 रुपए का सूप मिलता था। आई थिंक मफिन 15 रुपए का था which obviously everyday basis पे is very expensive.
Yeah.
तो and in fact I remember कि जब मैं my first year of NIFT was in NIFT हैदराबाद और मुझे मीठा पसंद भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं है।
Oh really?
पर 100%।
Very lucky.
पर जब मैं उस रसगुल्ले को देखती थी ना, जो कि 5 रुपए का होता था in हैदराबाद, I remember seeing it with those puppy dog eyes because it just felt like something I cannot get. And वो हम big deal बना देते हैं, I feel that is important. But I still think it is important that overcharge or overprice is not okay.
Yeah.
So even in terms of clothes or a bag, even if I can afford it, but if I think कि नहीं यार ये तो मतलब कुछ भी उसका price tag है, I'm not going to give that. So which is why I have never been such a crazy fan of brands, of designers, yes, of good designs, yes, but I do not care about कि उस पे वो छाप किसकी है.
That's such an important distinction that you've made actually, that you're a fan of a designer because of their artistic sensibilities, but you're not like necessarily like crazy about brands basically.
वो brand की वजह से I'm not going to buy that. It could be because of the.
Can I ask who you're wearing today?
This is a brand called the Haley.
Okay.
And H-A-E-L-L-I.
Little penguins on her sari, which is like the cutest thing ever. Yeah.
And it's so
What's his
comfortable.
cute as a penguin also.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
And it's so comfortable. For me, comfort is very important.
Yeah.
जब वो कहते हैं कि fashion and style is supposed to be uncomfortable या उसके नाम पे कर लो, I don't believe in that. मतलब personally I don't. If my character has to wear something like that, then that's a different story.
Yeah.
But for me, for Shweta, even if it's an ornament, चाहे मैं वो fingers पे भी पहने हो, comfort जरूरी है.
Yeah.
Because I think in life आपको कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं करनी चाहिए. Definitely out of your comfort zone. That's different.
Yeah.
But your clothes are an extension of your personality, of who you are, of how you want to feel. And I feel कपड़े और dressing up आप जरूर किसी और के लिए करते हो, audience के लिए करते हो, people who you meet. But the most important thing is for yourself.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर आप खुद ही अगर मैं uncomfortable होगी या मैं खींचती रहूंगी तो फिर that'll be distracting for everybody.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए कुछ ज्यादा ही tight या कुछ ज्यादा ही I don't know.
Flashy, showy, whatever.
वो भी चलेगा.
Oh.
But as long as that is your personality, as long as you want to wear that and not your stylist or you're not wearing that because it's in trend or the season.
Yeah.
Definitely experiment, have fun, and make mistakes. There will be a lot of looks that people won't like that you will be trying, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Every look does not have to be a hit. Every look doesn't have to be a 10 on 10 क्योंकि जब हम गलतियां करते हैं तभी तो हम सीखते हैं.
That's true. Absolutely, I agree. And talking about penguins, you of course found your penguin in life. You're very sweet, very loving husband, and you may like fast food, like the momos and the noodles and all of that, but you also love a slow cheetah, and who champions slow living in a great way. And I actually wanted to read this out. Let me see if I can find it. So he wrote this very, very sweet thing on Instagram, which I really loved actually. So he said, Mirzapur 3 is the kind of content I want to watch us make. In a generation where we're forced to making things fast, not last, fast fashion, fast food, fast forward, fast everything, art seems time bound, which is why very few creations are timeless. So I mean, that's like really, that was so bang on, because I think we're all in such a hurry to get nowhere. True. Basically. And obviously like it's so great to have a spouse who's really coming to bat for you. Like, I mean like in the midst of everything is coming to bat for you. So how does this relationship work? What is the recipe for success with your relationship? Because it gives all of us major couple goals basically. And please eat something. I feel like I'm the only one stuffing my face here. Yeah.
I feel life में आप कुछ भी करो ना, be it a career choice, be it your partner, be it the friends that you make or the food that you eat. It's important to remember why you started or why you liked it in the first place. Marriage is partnership or any relationship for that matter, I feel. कि एक दूसरे को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. एक दूसरे के सपने, एक दूसरे की aspirations, एक दूसरे के emotions. क्योंकि अगर हम वो समझना बंद कर देते हैं ना तो that is where conflict comes and there will be conflict which all of us will face And एक person is not supposed to be a karta dharta of everything. Please do not look for that. Cheetah is my favorite human, and I keep saying this because he is. I feel so lucky that I married my best friend. And we keep working on our relationship. And वो होगा ही because we are growing as people. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मतलब हमने जब we got it's been 6 years to our marriage and we've been together for I think 11 years. So hopefully as a couple and as individuals we are growing with time. So we have to get used to and accept the growing us as well and grow with each other. And like you said, root for each other, cheer for each other. And if there is anything जो आपको पसंद नहीं आ रही है या फिर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं यार ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, it's very important to voice that out. क्योंकि शुगर कोट करके अगर हम हमेशा बात करेंगे ये डरेंगे कि यार ये कैसे बोल सकते हैं या ये बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं या दूसरा मतलब that person will feel hurt. Truth is important. Honesty is important. Also that you're on the same team.
Yeah, that's a beautiful thing. And you know, obviously you come from different backgrounds. What do you all enjoy trying out together? What's your favorite meal together? Something that both of you like? And do you cook for him? Does he cook for you? What's that like at home?
So both of us are horrible in the kitchen.
Oh really?
हाँ मतलब मैं ऐसा कोल्ड कॉफी बनाने जाती हूँ लॉकडाउन में जो मैंने ट्राई किया था चीता का पेट खराब हो गया था.
Oh my god.
Yeah. तो एक बार जब मैंने
Okay, you have other talents, Shweta. It's fine.
Exactly.
It's okay. Doesn't matter.
We have a ritual that on my birthday, Cheetah makes my breakfast omelette. तो वो अब चाहे जैसा भी हो, and I'm telling you, he makes it so well. That is the only time he cooks. Because I think life में बहुत जरूरी है to enjoy what you do. अब जबरदस्ती of course कई बार circumstances होते हैं कि आपको कुछ करना पड़ता है. But that omelette that he makes for me for my birthday every year, that's one of the most special things. And I can't tell you वो अब चाहे प्यार की वजह से which is a special ingredient. But it tastes so amazing. And इस बार तो वो थोड़ा जल भी गया था. But फिर भी इतना अच्छा था. Exactly, doesn't matter.
And what do you make for him on his birthday?
I think वो डर के भाग जाएगा. And he'll be the one कि नहीं श्वेता को बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, you order from outside. It's fine.
Exactly. And in fact, even during the lockdown, my father-in-law and I, we had made this banana ice cream. I can't tell you how bad it was.
Yeah,
It
that
was
sounds pretty bad. I mean,
Yeah.
why banana ice cream? There are many other. Oh God.
So, and my father-in-law, he said, जब बन गया था तो Cheetah said, कि I love you both, पर ये मैं नहीं खा सकता.
See, honesty with kindness. Yeah, it all comes back to that only.
But my sister-in-law was super sweet,
Yeah.
and she still had it. And we were like, Riya, you don't need to do this. No, but it's nice.
It's nice.
My father-in-law still says that it was one of the best ice creams.
Okay.
But I think he says it.
So poor.
But he also knows it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And you know, obviously, there's been.
Wow.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Oh
Shweta, see, your wishes are command, basically. Yeah. That is just for you. I'm going to let you enjoy it because there's like so much on the table also. And see, any little thing that we can do to make you happy. And next time, Cheetah can also be here.
100%.
Yeah.
He's a huge fan of food, good food.
Yeah.
So ये तो he will really truly enjoy.
I'm
My
very
God.
happy that we've made you happy. She genuinely looks very happy, right?
And also the effort, like this is so nice. This like magic. कि मैंने कुछ बोला और वो आ गया. Thank you guys.
Yeah, we're the manifestable, basically.
Oh, फिर तो बहुत सारी चीजें manifest की जाएंगी. In fact,
correct.
कल ही Malika, Cheetah and I, we went to Bene because we had heard so much about it, the Bangalore chain. And oh my God, we had the idli, we had the dosa, the masala dosa, and I had iced filter coffee.
Oh, lovely.
And मुझे filter coffee से in fact allergy है. But I still tried it. हाँ, मुझे but there's like some major itching that happens. But yesterday I wanted to go for it.
And
Because
nothing happened?
there's a thing called chicory or chicory.
Yeah.
Different people pronounce
pronounce
it
it
differently.
differently, yeah.
So, but
So
कुछ
you're
नहीं
a fan
था.
of South Indian food also.
I love South Indian food.
Ah.
Allah. Please warn
All
me,
people.
खाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. But I love South Indian food. I can have when I was in NIFT Hyderabad, मैं रोज इडली खाती थी रोज. और रात का dinner used to
It
be.
is kind of like aloo that way. It goes with everything,
That
and
is
it's sort
true.
of like so you like all these round things.
Right,
Yeah, I've realized yes, the aloo and the idli. You like things which go with a lot of other things, I think. But yeah, idli is like also comfort food. Since you were in Hyderabad, like Hyderabadi biryani, was that something that you had a lot of, or was the right hand side too expensive at that point?
नहीं.
Ah.
वो sharing के चक्कर में we could afford everything. And biryani was great. Also, what was great was chutneys in Hyderabad. Oh my God, वहाँ के जो डोसे हैं and जो chutneys of course, that was very good. And dinner में हम लोग क्या करते थे? हम लोग मसाला डोसा ऑर्डर करते थे जो कि 15 रुपए का होता था. And क्यों करते थे? क्योंकि मसाला अनलिमिटेड होता था.
We
So
all
there's
have
some-
these hacks basically.
तो फिर उन्होंने मसाले के they started charging.
Oh,
Because of
they were
us,
like,
they
those people are coming. Hide it all from them now.
Students.
Yeah.
So that was.
They're going to get us out of business basically. Yeah.
But क्या करें?
It's okay. You should go back there now and buy some dosas for everybody. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
खाना is a love language.
Totally.
वो
I
तो-
know. And as we've seen with your omelette story also, it is.
Yeah.
Talking about like your relationship with Cheetah, the one which I love, of course, is your relationship with Malika. And all besties, of course, bond over food. So, what is the food that you bond with your besties?
Malz, she makes the best chais.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Nice.
masala chai. She's great and she loves feeding. And she मतलब इतने प्यार से खिलाती ना कि बस आप खाते ही जाओगे. We love Thai food, both of us. So when I was a non-vegetarian, पहले तो हम लोग को बहुत खाते थे, but now thankfully she loves her veggies. So अभी भी वही होता है, लोगों को लगता है कि यार एक वेजिटेरियन होगा, नॉन वेजिटेरियन होगा, कैसे होगा? बहुत आसानी से होता है because Cheetah is non-veg, so it's Malz, and we manage very well. So Thai food, home food, South Indian, ये सारे we have very similar tastes. We are also both Cancerians.
Nah.
So our
And she
cold
forgot your
coffees.
birthday.
Actually, she forgot, and I didn't feel bad at all because I knew कि genuinely वो date भूल गई है. Because I know वो birthday नहीं भूल सकती. So even when she called, I was like,
Yeah.
कोई और होता अलग बात होती. With Malz, I know her intention.
Yeah.
I know what she feels about me. So I literally wanted to give her a hug and say, and next दिन जब बात हुई, so I was sleeping till late. So she messaged Cheetah also, she called Cheetah also, and I was feeling so bad that Malz, don't worry, I'm not angry, I'm not pissed, I'm just sleeping. हम लोग जब बनारस गए थे, for पांडे जी, my trainer, उनकी शादी के लिए, and oh my god, वहाँ की टमाटर चाट. And हम लोग ये figure out कर रहे थे कि लस्सी कहाँ से लेनी है. And Malz said कि let me ask the man. And she opened उनका YouTube. And उन्होंने first thing that he said was बादल ठंडाई. And we got our answer. So
Lovely.
BD
Yeah,
guided
I
us
know.
from above and told us
I'm
where to
actually
go.
getting goosebumps. Look at that right now. Like, because it's such a sweet story. And like, I mean, we all obviously feel that loss as well. And, and talking about Banaras, like 9 years of Masan. And, and what a journey all of you all have gone on, right? Like you, Vicky, Richa and Ali. And of course, Ali, I mean, it's all like kind of come together in this weird sort of way. So first of all, Richa and Ali have just recently become parents. Have you hung out with them? Have you managed to go and see the little one? Or, what's happening with Gudu's other family, basically? Cheating on you.
So July has been extra special because July was Mirzapur release, 6th July was my birthday, and then 17th Richa and Ali had a baby girl, 18th is Malz's birthday, July is when Masan came out, July में bad news भी आई है Vicky की. So it's been such a fulfilling month where हमारी celebrations are just going on. And Ali and Richa are going to be such fine, such beautiful parents. That also makes me very happy because she is going to grow up with such great parenting. क्योंकि उन लोग को दुनिया की समझ बहुत है.
Correct.
हमारे कल्चर की कदर बहुत है.
Very evolved.
And
both of
they
them.
stand up and fight for the right things. So I'm really,
I already love her so much. And I remember जब मुझे पता भी चला था, I got so emotional. And sometimes आपको खुद को नहीं पता होता है कि आप इतने emotional क्यों हो रहे हो. And that is because both Richa and Ali, individually and together, I love them both. So I have to, मतलब वो just love for her is going to be unconditional, and I can't wait to see her and hold her and
give a squishy hug, basically. And lots of people want to give squishy hugs to Vicky because, like, why not? I would give a squishy hug to Vicky. Like, I mean, look at the kind of transformation that has happened. Like, I mean, it's amazing. Like, are you guys like in touch with each other? Or what's your take on it as an actor? Or do you feel he's still the same? He's just acting, basically.
He is so good and so humble and so kind. and so lovely as a human, and that has stayed the same.
Hmm.
And in fact, I think Sam Bahadur के बाद चीतो और मेरी ये बात हुई थी
Hmm.
that we should be like our friends, because looking at Vicky and everything that he's achieved, he's still the same. वो अपना core नहीं भूला है.
Hmm.
All of us are hopefully improving and evolving and growing. But you should never forget why you started and where you started.
Hmm.
His heart is in the right place.
Yeah.
His mind is in the right place.
Mhm.
And that's why no matter whoever I meet, चाहे वो कोई hairdresser हो या वो producer हो, everybody talks so highly about him because he's a gem of a person.
Yeah.
And I really adore him and respect him so much
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो वैसे ही है, चाहे
Yeah.
उसके messages हो या उसकी आवाज की टोन हो. He's one person. He's just wonderful.
Yeah.
I've been touched with very lucky to
Yeah.
have worked with some great, not just talent,
Hmm.
but amazing
People.
human beings.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah.
सबके सब इतने प्यारे रहे हैं.
Yeah.
मतलब चाहे विजय वर्मा हो
Hmm.
या वो अली हो या जीतू हो,
Yeah.
सब बहुत अच्छे हैं,
Yeah.
बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे.
Yeah. And
नवाज भाई.
yeah, so many. I mean, like, and I was actually asking Harshita this when I met her. I said, you know, who's the person who eats the most junk food on the sets of Mirzapur? She was like, no one.
खाने का शौक सबको है,
Hmm.
लेकिन सब बिकॉज वही ना कि डाइट आप जो अपनी बॉडी में डाल रहे हो वो फर्क पड़ेगा. प्लीज बी माइंडफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग बिकॉज how you feel is dependent on what you eat.
Yeah. So, I mean, that we can cheat for a little bit, but not cheat too much, basically.
Balance.
Yeah, balance.
जब gluttony हो जाती है
Hmm.
लाइफ में या
Hmm.
greed हो जाती है, that is not good because then we don't know when to stop. Then where do you draw the line? And problems वही होती है when we don't know where to draw the line.
Absolutely. And talking about drawing the line, my final set of questions to you was, you know, we met Tahir also, and I was like, Tahir, we really need to get this Shweta some more emotionally stable relationships on screen. Like, what is her deal? Like,
Yes.
I have to say, talking about drawing the line, clearly there are no lines which are drawn in Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. Then we're really, really looking forward to it. I'm like, why have you all left me on this cliffhanger, people? So we're really looking forward to it. I'm really rooting for you guys, but it's not looking good, really.
It's not looking good. बहुत ही दर्द और
Seriously,
और
yeah.
प्यार है,
Yeah.
but प्यार नहीं भी है.
Yeah.
So I would like to do some stable relationships that make me smile.
Yeah.
Smile where my smile is reaching my eyes.
Correct.
Where
Yeah.
I'm happy, where I'm jumping, where I'm dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, you basically want what your real life is to be in your real life also.
Ah.
Secure, stable, yeah.
Enjoy the drama.
Yeah.
I really enjoy the high stakes. But I think I would want to be happy on screen
Yeah.
as well.
Correct.
Which is why I really enjoyed, in fact, working with Kunal on Kanjus Monkey Choose. And
Ah.
that was the reason that I wanted to do comedy.
Yeah.
Because I was like, ये तो काफी भारी भरकम चीज है.
Yeah.
Because, you know, Kalkut I was shooting for. Again, Acid Track Survivor. And there was Escape Live, and there was Vikali Kali Aankhein, and of course Mirzapur. So
Yeah.
I was like, भाई,
Yeah.
दिल थाम के बैठना पड़ता है. तुम्हें चाहती
Correct.
दिल
Yeah.
खुश भी हो जाए.
Yeah, absolutely. And because you're such a happy person otherwise, I think it'll be nice to see that on screen as well. And I hope that we've made you happy with this meal today. And I hope you're feeling satisfied. The gifts just keep on giving. See, we started it saying that we wanted to take her, obviously, to a vada pav stall, but then we couldn't. And then we brought the vada pav to her. So,
Best interview ever.
thanks. It's nothing to do with me. It has all to do with the people behind this. Yeah. Batata Vada is eating her, her vada pav. So it's a little cannibalistic moment, but it's fine. Yeah.
Wow. और ये तो I'm gonna mix the.
You
I'm
can,
gonna try. to
yeah,
mix
you
the
can just go crazy with the chutneys and yeah.
chutneys. Wow,
So see,
यार, मौसम ऐसा बातें
very
ऐसी.
nice. So you can go home and be a couch potato now. After eating all of this, yeah. Shweta's like, I came here with such good intentions. I was not going to eat much.
I'm
But
going
then-
to go back with better intentions.
Ah, very good. We like that. That's always the ultimate goal, basically. And yes, I'm.
It's also so good. जब भी मौसम अच्छा होता है, then हम घर पे बना के,
Hmm.
my father-in-law, my sister-in-law रिया, और हम लोग छत पे जाके हम अपनी चाय वाय लेके पिकनिक बास्केट जाके बना के ऊपर जाके
Sweet.
enjoy it because we get to we have an ocean.
Oh, nice.
पूरा full मजा.
Yeah, that is like a full like Mumbai way of enjoying the monsoon, right? You've got the ocean view, you've got vada pav, you've got your loved ones around you, and yeah, we may not have the ocean view right now, but we've got people who love you and love your work, and you've got your vada pav. So I hope life is good. So as I said, we've had this manifest table where I think we've made Shweta quite happy, basically, with all her wishes have come true, basically. It's like it's like a genie has appeared every 2 minutes from behind. No, not me. It has nothing to do with me because I've been sitting here having this conversation. So, but thank you so much, Shweta. It's always a delight talking to you. And as always, our sign off from the show, aate rahiye,
आते रहिए.
पूछते रहिए.
खाना भी खा.
Yeah, she's a pro.